Laminar flow has low shear, leaving contaminants on the wall. Turbulent flow creates high shear, effectively removing deposits. The concentration looks about right, maybe 12. The sensor reads 14.2, perfect.